Hi, welcome to another video. Just coming back onto the farm. We've all the field here and a bit of hedging that is new I put there. The mart. Two lads trying to sort out a deal there. Two cows waiting to be collected in there. And the contractor's has his own few cows, so he's going feeding them in the cattle shed. And he has more cows down there that he's just brought from the mart today, and he's just a few machinery in his barn there. This is the new farm up here. We have two calves in the shed there. We have two donkeys down here, the boy outside waving, and then we have the house and a few machinery. Nothing too much going on at the farm, but there's the ponies in there. Cows get milked and they're coming through, and they're coming through there, and they're gonna come out here and get fed. Then we've just a bit more machinery in there. Then we just have the calves. But the farmer's coming out with the trailer and the Mass Ferguson with the skip on it, and nothing too much. But that's pretty much it. Tractor's all in the tractor shed. You mightn't be able to see that now. Silage pit, another silage pit, fodder beet, and then we've just the shed there. Well, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.